Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another vlog. So today I am going at this property called Regenta Central by Royal Orchid. It's a 4-star property located in Court Circle just near HP petrol pump, and I have been invited there for a property tour and food tasting session. So I'll take you guys along with me, so come, let's go. It's a beautiful property with 52 rooms conveniently located in the heart of the city, just above Alankar Jewellers and Medi Center. So guys, I am at this property and I'm already loving the hospitality. They have provided me a very beautiful welcome and I'm so overwhelmed with that. As soon as I entered the restaurant area, I was welcomed with this cute little surprise by all the staff members, and I was literally so speechless by this thoughtful gesture by them. Let's check out their Pink's restaurant, which has vibrant and colorful theme with Rajasthani culture touch to it. So this is the restaurant. यहाँ पे है ये couple sitting. And as you move forward, this is how the restaurant looks from inside. So beautiful. यहाँ पे है family sitting. And this is the buffet section with the bar counter here. I really love these interiors. So both buffet and a la carte are available at this restaurant with mouth-watering dishes and live interactive kitchen too. So you can choose your breakfast to dinner, any of your meal which suits your taste and mood. अब शुरू करते हैं हमारा मजेदार फूड टेस्टिंग सेशन। सो शुरुआत हुई है कबाब प्लेटर से एंड इट टुक मी अ व्हाइल टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ ब्यूटीफुली द शेफ हैज क्रिएटेड दिस फ्यूजन। इस प्लेटर में था राजस्थानी स्पेशल केर सांगरी के कबाब, कॉर्न फ्रिटर्स और मशरूम स्टफ्ड चीज कबाब। सो शेफ ने मुझे बताया कि केर सांगरी में कितनी न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू होती है एंड पीपल जनरली डोंट लाइक टू ईट इट दैट वे. So he created this fusion with kebabs and honestly it tasted so good and mild in flavors that you can't literally tell that it is made with केर सांगरी. और कॉर्न फ्रिटर्स में उन्होंने भुजिया की कोटिंग की थी आउटर लेयर में, so it was giving that spicy kick which is a must try for a spicy food lover. And this was their muskmelon mocktail and look at that presentation. I mean just wow. And here comes one of the most unique starter, which is this baked zucchini pasta on a lasagna sauce bed. The presentation made it so beautiful that it was literally love at first sight. And I would define this dish as lasagna in a healthy way but delicious too. ये है cheese cigar roll. इसको खाते ही चीज बर्स्ट होता है मुंह में एंड द स्वीट चिली सॉस एट द बॉटम टुक दिस डिश टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. So this is smoked strawberry mocktail and there was literally smoke inside that strawberry. ये वाली mocktail मेरी favorite थी because it was super tangy in taste which I really love. अब आता है कुंग पाओ कॉटेज चीज aka fancier version of paneer chili. This had all the Chinese flavors with melt in mouth cottage cheese. And look at my happy face with all that delicious cuisines in front of me. Everything was super delicious, but that baked pasta and kebab platter with that strawberry mocktail were my ultimate favorite. Last but not the least, here comes the variety of bruschettas.
ऑनेस्टली इतना सारा डिलिशियस, टेस्टी और यूनिक खाना आ चुका है। इन सब डिशेस की प्रेजेंटेशन इतनी अच्छी है कि मुझे इनको देख के खाने का ही मन नहीं कर रहा है।
ढेर सारी पेट पूजा करने के बाद हम आ गए हैं प्रॉपर्टी एक्सप्लोर करने और इसके हर कोने में आपको उदयपुर और राजस्थानी कल्चर की वाइब्स मिलेगी। Just like this Jarokha, elephants, these frames in the corridor of popular monuments and lakes of Udaipur. And this is the city and mountain view from the room.
So this is the executive room. Big spacious room. And the best part is that the Lake Pichola with City Palace. Stunning, right? And there you have the coffee station, a big long mirror, and this washroom with the bathtub. So this is the lobby area with such beautiful Rajasthani culture details.
अब चेकआउट करने चलते हैं मेरा फेवरेट पार्ट इस प्रॉपर्टी का, एंड विच इज दिस इंफिनिटी पूल रूफटॉप एरिया विथ ओपन सिटिंग. You can enjoy your meals or celebrate your special occasions here as well. इतना सुकून और शांति थी इस एरिया में कि मन ही नहीं कर रहा था यहाँ से जाने का. This is the peacock themed banquet hall / conference room. So the main courses here, we have paneer masala, dal makhni, rainbow pulao, tandoori roti, missi roti and garlic naan. This looks super tempting and I can't wait to dig in. This scrumptious meal was perfect blend of flavors and spices, perfect for Indian palate and taste buds. इन सब में से मेरा फेवरेट था ये रेनबो पुलाव which had perfectly cooked rice, lots of veggies and mild flavors which was giving me homemade feels. Another mocktail which I tried was this mixed fruit mocktail which was looking like a faluda and it was on a sweet side, so it's perfect for people who have a sweet tooth. Now let's hear from the F&B manager himself, Mr. Kumar, about this property and its food.
He is Mr. Kumar, the head of food and beverages, and I want to thank him for inviting me today here and giving me such a wonderful time of my life.
So thank you so much, Mr. Kumar, for this warm hospitality. And I would like to know especially about the fusion dishes which you serve here. And because that is your specialty and people love that here, and I also love that. So I would like to know about that, the fusion variety, and what all cuisines you serve.
First of all, I'd like to thank you, Ayushi, for coming this afternoon at the Pink's Restaurant, Magenta Central, Udaipur. So the best thing about hotel is we are mainly a 4 months old hotel and very centrally located. The important and the best USP is the food out here. And on to that adding, since you have also tried it, it's our Indo-infused food, basically Indo-Italian, Indo-Chinese, Indo-Korean. I mean, it's a completely infused food, right from the starters, right from the soups to the main course, and of course you have seen the presentation and the plating. That is what you see is the first appeal, and when people come and take pictures and tag them onto the social media, that matters a lot for us.
Exactly.
You know, in terms of getting a buzz in the market, creating the footfalls in the restaurants. Apart from that, also if you see our USP is also the ambience of the restaurant. We have an island buffet, island bar. Soon we are going to get a license coming in. Right now we serve the fantastic mocktails. I believe that all the three you have a totally different taste, presentations, you know, I mean the palate taste as well. So that three I believe you liked it, right?
Totally.
Right. And coming up on that, we also have the huge banqueting space where we can have on terms of anything, you know, right from social to the corporate. On the socials also the birthday celebrations or to your wedding, engagement, any occasions that you know you can go forward for it. And also the pool side which you have visited, overlooking the Udaipur, the city of lakes. It's an infinity pool and very nice ambience later when you have the sunset. So that's one of the best things in food and beverage. And not the least, food is always the first criteria. That is the not only like we are the new hotel or new restaurants, it's the consistency that we have maintained. The team is very superb in terms of specialized cuisines. We have got them from internal brand transfer. Each and every cuisines chefs are very specialized.
Yeah.
So that is also one of the very appealing side.
Yeah, and one more best part is that the location is very city center, so you can visit anytime and enjoy the amazing variety of food and cuisines they serve. So thank you so much once again, Mr. Kumar, for inviting me.
It's a pleasure not only from my side, entire team, for Area General Manager Mr. Chandan Chaudhary and the entire team, right from receptions, right from housekeeping, and right from the food and beverage support, the culinary team and the service team. Thanks, Ayushi. It's a pleasure to see you at Regenta today.
Thank you.
Had a wonderful meal and I'm so full, but still the dessert is pending, so I'll enjoy my dessert now.
A few moments later.
Back home इतना लाजवाब और टेस्टी खाना खा के, and on an unbiased note, the fusion they did with the cuisines was literally amazing. Like you need to try it once to believe me. एक बार तो जाना बनता है आपको उनके different cuisines और ambience enjoy करने के लिए. Honestly, I would love to have one of my meal at their Infinity Pool rooftop restaurant. और लोकेशन का लिंक दिया है मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, so do check that out. Also, if you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next one. Till then, bye bye.